What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing Tommy Bahama St. Barts. And I actually just got this today, and I am going to be reviewing it for you guys and unboxing it. So let's get this. They always make these boxes so hard to open. Okay, there you go. Okay. Put the box there. The bottle looks kind of cool. I like how they got like the palm tree logo right there. Tommy Bahama St. Barts. The detail to the bottle is actually really cool. The rope. Let's see. Yeah, it's got like a watery lemon orange type of smell. I wonder how long it lasts. Oh, that smells good. So I would recommend this for like a younger teenage kid like me. It's going around for about $65, but that's on Tommy Bahama's website. You probably find it cheaper somewhere else. But I'll put a link down in the description below for this cologne. You guys can go check it out. Yeah, this is more like a spring, summer cologne. But yeah, I would recommend this. It smells really good. Yeah, it's got a lemon smell to it, so yeah, I really like the detailing to the bottle though. Like the palm tree right there. The rope is probably my favorite part to it. Yeah, this is actually my first Tommy Bahama cologne out of my whole collection right there. This is my first Tommy Bahama. So yeah, I'd recommend this for a younger kid like me. Recommend it for like a teenage kid. That's really it. So yeah, I would recommend going and checking this out. I'll put a link down in the description below so you guys can go check it out. And if you guys enjoyed this content, subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. And see you next time. So peace out.